Hello and welcome to the SAC channel. This is Keith Willing, President and founder of Southern Air Concepts. In the heat of the summer, are you looking to enhance the outdoor dining experience for your customers? Well, let me introduce you to Refresh fans. Refresh fans are an HVLS fan, which means high volume, low speed. The best parallel I can give you is like the soft ocean breeze. The breeze itself creates a cooling effect by increasing the evaporation of water off the body. So the effect makes an individual feel 10 to 15 degrees cooler than ambient temperature. And since we are utilizing the newest technology in motors with an ECM motor, we can use our fan speed controller to dial in the airflow so napkins don't blow off to the table of your customer, while still delivering a high volume of air with our airplane style airfoil aluminum blades. Maybe at night the dining space becomes a dance floor. We'll simply use the fan speed controller to turn the speed up and increase the comfort of your customers. If you're worried about how this may impact your power bill, don't be. Because our extremely efficient motor and design, the average fan in a properly designed application can operate for less than 50 cents per day. So let's compare Refresh fans to conventional fans. Performance. Advantage Refresh. Remember, conventional fans are not specifically designed for large spaces. The coverage of a Refresh fan is about 10 times the diameter of the fan itself. Quiet operation. Advantage Refresh. Remember, high volume, low speed. Conventional fans would have to operate at a high velocity, creating much more motor and air noise. Efficiency. Advantage Refresh. Refresh operational cost would be a fraction of what you'd attempt to achieve with conventional fans. Life expectancy. Advantage Refresh. Our quality components will give you comfort for years to come. Many restaurants have already experienced the Refresh advantage, as well as schools, warehouses, entertainment establishments, and many other business. They all have come to learn the Refresh advantage. We welcome you to make Refresh work for your business as well. At the end of the video, click the link and let's do a design analysis for your business so we can bring the Refresh advantage into your dining space.